guys, I got another one for you guys. Big shout out to my man. I don't know if I can say your name or not, but yeah, we got a 3-tool combo kit. We got a hammer drill. We got an impact driver. We got a reciprocating saw. 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. You got 18-volt lithium brushless cordless 3-tool combo kit with 4 amp hour batteries, rapid charger, and 2 bag. $429, guys. Not that great, right? So yeah, $429. But check this out. You can select a free item with purchase. Isn't that crazy? All right, so you can select. Show last. So you can select. Let's start from the top here. You can select the blower, the vacuum, what is this, hammer drill, the impact driver. So in case you want an extra one, you get to select the angle grinder, the drywall screw gun, the router, the sander, the inflator, jigsaw, reciprocating saw. You can select the oscillating tool, multi-tool, the vacuum, the X-lock angle grinder. My guess is probably that's the best deal. So what you do is go to cart. Do apologize for the barking, and there's some dogs barking over here where I'm working. All right, so disregard that. We just did a video, a crazy video on this. I don't know if you guys checked that out. Make sure you guys check it out. You add this and then you add that. It's a crazy deal. All right, so yeah, guys, you're gonna get the angle grinder for $116, and you're gonna get the 3-tool combo kit with the reciprocating saw, rapid charger for $312, guys. Definitely check it out. Just thought I wanted to, put this out there for you guys in case this is the way you want to go. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Big shout out to my man. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.